Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening depending on where you are in this amazing world. My name is Donovan Jolly, and welcome everybody once again for another amazing video of DIY investing. Today I wanted to give you guys some updated analysis inside of XRP to close out this awesome week that we've been having. As you guys know, XRP has been exploding over the last couple weeks and has created us XRP holders a ton of profit. What happens next? Are we about to be going much higher over the next couple months? Or was this just a short-term pump before we go on an even bigger correction? Today I'm going to give you guys all of my thoughts and perspectives with XRP, and I can tell you firsthand that this market looks insanely bullish. If you're new and just finding this channel, always remember to do me a favor by leaving a like, comment, and subscribing to this channel for more updates. Make sure that you guys click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos like the one provided for you here. And always remember, guys, to join the fastest growing and the very best Discord community out there in crypto. My Discord server has over 17,000 members and it's growing so fast. So if you want to congregate with the rest of my community, share your thoughts, feelings, and perspectives on the market, make sure you guys sign up and join by clicking inside the description of this video. And there you're going to find the invitation link to my Discord server. On the Discord server, I also offer my VIP content like my video course and signals. If you guys want to copy my long-term portfolio, follow every single trade that I take, as well as get private videos that I only make for members inside of my VIP group, then make sure you stay all the way to the end of this video, because then I'm going to take a couple minutes to explain how you guys can get signed up, the pros of doing so, and what it's going to take to get you guys going today. Guys, also remember that I am doing my discount. Everything is 60 and 50% off, so if you guys want to sign up for my video course, it's going to be 60% off. If you guys sign up for my signals, it's going to be 50% off. This is going to happen for the next day, so you guys want to make sure that you're getting involved with this so you guys can actually get and participate inside of that discount. The way you guys are actually going to be able to join and sign up is you have to make sure you're a part of my email list. So the way you guys can do that is to download my free ebook, which is linked inside the description of this video. That's going to be the way that you're going to make sure you're on the email list so you guys get notified when I do that sell. So once again, guys, you guys can reach out to me on email. You guys can join my Discord and reach out to me there. And with all that being said, let's jump right into this amazing video today. Alrighty guys, now to start off this video, I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about the XRP market cap chart, because I honestly think that this one's a lot more accurate of a chart to be looking at compared to the US dollar chart. Now, what I want to talk to you guys about here real quickly is why I was already so bullish to begin with, but most importantly, why this is just confirmation. Because guys, you guys got to remember, I've been talking about XRP for a long time. I've been dollar cost averaging throughout this entire period of accumulation, and now we just barely first got our breakout. And this is the first time that we've had that, and this is what we've been waiting for so long. Now, I still see a lot of people in disbelief about XRP, especially after it's kind of selling off here. And I wanted to cover up some things, clear up a couple things, just to help you guys understand my perspective. Now, I got super bullish down here at XRP when it was at 25 cents, approximately right here. I got super bullish on XRP because XRP and Ripple, the company that owns XRP, they announced that they were actually going to be buying up XRP off the market. And so they're doing buybacks. Anytime a crypto does buybacks, it is always a telltale sign that the market is very much bullish and we're going to be seeing a lot more price appreciation. Otherwise, they wouldn't go ahead and buy up their coins. What they're doing is they're taking up their coins, they're buying it up off the open market, and this is causing the price to rise. They are purposely trying to create hype inside of the market to pump the prices. Now, you guys can have a different opinion about that if you want, whether you think it's good or bad. That's aside the point. What I do know is that it's bullish, and what I do know is that the price is going to go up because of that, which is exactly why we saw this massive breakout. It wasn't anything to do with a bunch of new retail investors jumping into the market. It was 100% tied to the fact that Ripple is now buying up XRP off the market. And we have to understand that, guys. You know, once that happened and the price actually started going up, then we saw a lot of retail FOMO start to come in XRP. We started to look at the Google search trends for XRP. They started taking off. In fact, they were going up higher than even Bitcoin was. And so XRP, in my opinion, is the ultimate retail coin. The reason why XRP is going to do so well is for the same reasons it did well in the last cycle. When people start looking at Bitcoin, and they start seeing it worth, 20,000 and beyond, they're going to sit there and think to themselves, gosh dang it, I missed out. I wonder if there's a cheaper crypto out there that's going to do the same thing as Bitcoin. And so they're immediately going to go to coins like XRP that are only worth, 50 cents. And they're going to say, oh my gosh, this is one that is still really undervalued. I can buy this and it can potentially go to $20,000. And these are people that simply just don't know what they're doing. But this is the retail mindset that comes into the market once Bitcoin breaks all-time highs. And this is what we're going to be seeing with XRP. Now, it's going to happen with XRP. It's going to happen with every other altcoin out there that is worth significantly less than Bitcoin. And, even Ethereum. Ethereum's getting more expensive. A lot of people are going to be kind of more detoured from buying that. More people with heavier amounts of money are going to be more interested in buying those coins. But people that really are just retail investors that only have a few $100, maybe a couple $1,000s, they're going to go after coins that are cheap, less than $1, like XRP. And that's why we're going to see XRP do so well now that Bitcoin is breaking out of all-time highs. Now, when we look at this chart, guys, we know that Ripple is buying up XRP. That's what caused this breakout, right? Now, this is the breakout that leads the way for a new all-time highs. This is the very beginning of things. Now, what we can say right here is I do believe that we're going to get a further correction. I mean, it's looking pretty obvious to tell from my side anyways. And really, guys, I'm going to be watching for a couple different levels. Now, level number 1 is going to be right here. We're going to change the colors of these so it's a little bit easier to see. And that price comes... So technically, guys, I'm actually at the market cap chart. The chart itself, I believe on the US dollar chart, this is going to be anywhere from about 45 cents to 50 cents. And that's really the price levels that I'm going to be targeting. I am going to be watching for about 20 billion to 18 billion. And that's the market cap, obviously. On the US dollar chart, I'm going to be watching for 50 cents to 45 cents. And that's where I'm going to be looking to accumulate more XRP. For me personally, guys, I'm done accumulating XRP. I'm just going to be honest with you guys right now. I'm done. I've spent a year and a half accumulating all throughout this time. Now that we break out, this is the point of me not buying more, is because I did all of the buying down here when it was the good time to buy, right? So I'm actually not buying any more XRP. I'm sitting on my hands as I am with virtually every other position that I have. I've been very adamant about telling you guys that I was going to be accumulating, dollar cost averaging, and then when it breaks out, I'm holding, and that's it. And that's exactly what I'm doing. This was the confirmation that all of my accumulation, all of that hard work is now paying off. Now all I'm going to be doing is holding. But for you guys that maybe didn't buy as much as you wished you could have, for you guys that maybe still want to buy more, for you guys that maybe missed out on XRP and want to get into it, well, here's your opportunity to do so. And it's going to come at the retest of this support level. This support level is going to be a very strong one, and I don't expect that it's going to sell off below this level. Like I stated, 18 billion is going to be the lowest end, and the highest end is going to be about 21 billion. I think that we're going to correct back down in here, and then we're going to continue to go up into this cycle. We're going to look something along the lines of this. This is going to be a major support and resistance flip at this level, guys, and there's going to be a lot of new money stepping in to buy up that market. When this happens, expect the price to really start taking off, because there isn't a lot of resistance. I mean, yeah, we have a resistance up here at about, 477 bill. I mean, at $47 billion. But overall, guys, I just really, really don't think that we're going to be slowing down anytime soon. I do believe that after this, we're going to start going very parabolic, and it's going to happen quickly. And the reason for this is because we can actually take a look at some of the prior charts that have happened in the last cycle, and that's really what has happened. What we can say with XRP is when it moons and when it starts to go up, it doesn't wait around for anybody. And this is going to be the case in this cycle once again. And we need to be prepared for that because when this thing takes off and it does not wait around for anybody. We can see that that was the case in the last cycle. Now I'm going to quickly branch over and just draw a little bit of a pattern that I noticed in the last cycle. And this is really one of the more characters of XRP that made me so bullish about it. And I'm going to just kind of go through there and show you guys how it works. Now, basically, the way this works is you get 3 impulse pumps, right? You get 1. You get 2. And then you get 3, right? 3 big impulse pumps. And then this starts the top, right? We top out, and then we start the bear market. Then we can draw our descending resistance. Every time we hit off this trend line, we reject and we fall lower. Lower, 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 until finally what happens is price actually breaks out from this descending resistance. Instead of going lower, we end up breaking out right here, right? Now, what's followed shortly after that is one final correction back down onto the previous support of that trend line, except instead of acting as resistance, it acts as support, and then we start the next cycle in its place. The same thing happens again. 3 impulse pumps. There's impulse pump 1. There's impulse pump 2. And then there's impulse pump 3 over here, right? Same thing happens here. 1, 2, 3, and then we top out and start the bear market. 1, 2, 3, and then we top out and start the bear market. Now, the same thing happened here in this side of this cycle, guys. And that's why I was so bullish on XRP, is even though it kept going lower, even though it lagged behind some of the other coins, it still maintained the same exact structure as the last cycle, which was bullish enough. When I could see all of this happening, I mean, it's very obvious what's taking place. It doesn't take a genius to be able to look at a chart, spot these patterns out, and be like, okay, this is bullish for this reason, right? I stuck to my bias, and now I'm up significantly in my long-term portfolio because of that. I'm looking really happy right now. And really, guys, it just looks exactly the same. In fact, you don't find hardly any difference inside of this cycle. And I'm going to even compare it even further and share with you guys what I mean by that. Same thing, guys. Every time we reject off this trend line, we fall lower until finally, just the same thing as happens here. We go and coil all the way down here, and then price breaks out of that trend line. The exact same thing happened right here, guys. It even did the exact same setup. Like, the chart pattern looks exactly the same. Makes this little W pattern, W, and then falls to new lows. Same thing happens here. Little W pattern, and then falls to new lows. It's the exact same chart. That's why I could never understand how anybody could look at the chart of XRP and be bearish on it. It was screaming buy for months and months and months. It was screaming buy. And that's what I did. Since, you know, about the very end of 2018, I've been dollar cost averaging in XRP. And now I'm just looking to hold, guys, because really, in my opinion, what we could have started is just the next 3 set of impulse pumps here. That's what it looks like to me. Now, it might not go as quite as parabolic as it went in the last cycle, but I would not be the least bit surprised to see it do that, because, I mean, it already kind of has, right? It already kind of looks like that from the last cycle. And so I'm not trying to give you guys an exact price target or anything. You already know my price targets. And if you guys really want help knowing when to sell, always remember to check out the signals, which once again are at a 50% discount today. So if you guys want to get in, join my group. It's already back to the original VIP price that I had from way back forever ago. I'm marking that 1-year anniversary of me actually opening my Discord. So once again, guys, if you like my analysis, you like what I do, you guys can get a 50% discount on my signals today. You can also get a 60% discount on my course. So I'd recommend checking that out. Just once again. Now, guys, really what I wanted to finish up with this whole video about is just what we can expect to see from here. Now, when I look at this chart, I'll be honest, I don't really think it's going to go quite as parabolic as it did in the last cycle. I think it might look something along the lines of this, right? Where we already hit this cycle high, we're going to fall back down and retest this support level, and then we'll get our next big impulse pump. The next big one will be breaking us all-time highs, right? We'll be making new all-time highs. And so I honestly think it's going to look something along the lines of this. We're just kind of falling back down to retest support, and we're going to be going pretty much just vertical throughout this next year. I think that the next pump after this retest is going to be us breaking all-time highs. We'll kind of consolidate above all-time highs for a little while, maybe something like we saw in 2017, and then we'll go up for our final impulse. But I do believe that it's just very obvious to tell that we're just repeating this exact same pattern, and I don't really know why. It appears to me that this is just the way that the algorithms are accumulating XRP, whether it's their founders that are market dumping throughout the bear markets and then they're market buying to cause the price to euphoria. That I don't really know, and I don't care. All I know is that this is a bullish looking chart. All I know is that XRP and Ripple is actually buying up XRP off the market. Anytime a crypto does buybacks, the price goes up, whether it's a token burn or whether it's a buyback. It's the same thing, but the price is going to go up. And this is exactly what we're seeing today inside of XRP. So I wanted to go through and give you guys the old school fractal analysis that I don't really see a lot of people talking about anymore. It's kind of outdated. A lot of people have covered it. I've talked about it for, about a year on this channel. And in that time, I've just gotten more and more bullish with XRP. This was the original chart and the original fractal that got me so bullish on XRP. Because once I found this inside of the chart, I started to realize, hey, holy cow, this thing is about to explode, and we don't want to be missing out on this amazing opportunity, because what is going to come is an opportunity to make, maybe 100x returns. And so that's really my biggest point here. Been a big time investor in XRP. I love the chart. I love everything about this. How it's looking for me is I'd love to get 100x returns, which would be about $100 billion in market cap for me. $100 billion in market cap. I actually think that would be $1 trillion. So $1 trillion in market cap for XRP gets me to 100x. That's the goal. I do strongly believe that XRP will hit $1 trillion in market cap. And the reason for this is because there is so much development being done on XRP. This is a crypto that is going out and it has major partnerships with so many banks out there. It's not just going to be an instant adoption to decentralized applications. There's going to be a little point where value has to transfer between centralized and decentralized. XRP is the bridgeway for that to happen. There's obviously Chainlink that's going to bridge the way for data to happen, but for all of this banking money to flood into crypto, XRP is really going to be a catalyst for that to happen, and we need to be aware of that. There's a reason there's so much money flooding into this market. There's a reason it's been top 3 in market caps for 6+ years. All of this stuff was blaring obvious right in your face. It was telling you, screaming at you. God opened the clouds of abundance, and he said, "Come, my children, buy XRP today. Obtain financial freedom and abundance. Moons and Lambos." He said this to you guys for months and months and months and months. I tried to be his little teller, his prophesier. I tried to come and tell you, everybody, hey guys, you need to buy XRP. Hey, this thing's going to break out. This thing doesn't wait around. When it breaks out, it goes vertical. I tried to warn everybody. Some people listened. Shout out to everybody that listened. A lot of people listened. And for that, you guys are rich. And I'm thankful to have you guys a part of the community. Now, this is really all I had for you. Now, to finish up this video, I want to take a couple minutes to explain how you guys can sign up for the video course and signals. Because of the fact it's all discounted today, it's not going to last long, guys. You really want to jump in on this because I'm going to double the prices once again. So if you guys want to get access, 50% discount, 60% discount off of my video course, you guys should really jump in on that today. Now, really, I'm going to link it inside the description of this video. So if you guys want to sign up, I'm going to link both links to sign up for my video course at a 60% discount and my signals at a 50% discount. These are all lifetime memberships. And so as long as I'm doing the channel, you guys are going to get access to all the trades that I'm taking. Even when crypto tops out, because that's a question I get a lot of times. What are you going to be doing once crypto tops out? Because I'll be honest, guys, I'm not going to be uploading on YouTube nearly as much, but I will be posting inside of the Discord. I will be updating signals, and I'm actually going to be branching out into different sectors, whether it's uranium sectors, whether it's precious metals, whether it's oil, natural gas, whatever it is, guys. I'm going to be branching out. And so if you guys want to get access to crypto, you want to get access to stocks, you want to get access to other commodities, make sure you guys sign up and join for my Discord server. Once again, 50% discount included today. It's not going to last long. You guys are going to be able to find links provided for you in the description to sign up. Now, one final thought, guys. Make sure you do download my free ebook. This is free. You don't got to pay anything for it. And it's a really cool study guide that I've spent a lot of time to help new guys getting into these markets understand trading and investing. I really have spent a lot of time dedicating towards this because I know it's a guide that's really going to help new guys getting into these markets. It helped me out a lot when I understood these key principles, and I didn't have it right when I first got into the markets, and so that's why I'm really just giving it to you guys for free today. I know it's going to help you guys out. It's free. You don't have to charge anything. Just download it. Links are provided for you in the description. And with all that being said, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. As always, peace out.